Good afternoon, students. Today video class I am again going to continue the same exercise number 9.3, question number first part, the fifth sum. Already I taught the four sums, four subdivisions. First part four subdivisions are I completed. Now I continue the fifth subdivision for the first sum. So what is exercise number 9.3 first sum? 0 to pi by 2. So what is the integration? Integral of 0 to pi by 2 root cos theta into sin cube theta d theta. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 square root of cos theta into sin cube theta d theta. Here we are going to say some we are doing some simplification because there is no formula for that one. So now we are going to change the some variables. Change of variable. Using change of variable, we are going to do the calculation. We are having some simplification for this sum. So what is the solution? 0 to pi by 2 root cos theta sin cube theta. The sin cube theta is rewrite as what? Sin square theta into sin theta d theta. Say the reason for 0 to pi by 2 root of cos theta, square root of cos theta. We know the identity. Sin square theta is rewrite as what? 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta. The sin square theta is rewrite as what? 1 minus cos square theta into sin theta d theta. Now we are going to change the limit because there is no formula. So we are using the change of variable. If a variable will be changed, means the limit also will change. Suppose theta value is what you are taking. See the limit. The theta is nothing but what? 0 to pi by 2. Theta value is taken as what? 0 to pi by 2. See here, let cos theta equal to t. So this cos theta is taken as t, means what is the, after differentiation the cos theta become what? Sin theta d theta. So suppose theta equal to, substitute theta equal to 0. What is our t value? Because the change of variable, we take cos theta equal to t. This is the first model to start that change of variable sum. So listen here, where if a change of variable, the cos theta is taken as a t, means we are having that what? Limits also will be changed. How? 0 to pi by 2, that is integral limit, upper limit as well as lower limit. See, theta equal to what we take? Theta value. If question is in the terms of theta, means what is the theta? Theta limit is what? 0 and pi by 2. Now let cos theta equal to t. What is our differentiation? Cos theta is differentiate. We get what? Minus sin theta into d theta. Now cos theta equal to 0 means what is the t value? T value is what? 1, because cos 0 is nothing but 1. Cos 0 is what? 1. Suppose if we substitute theta equal to, what are the limit we substitute? 0 and pi by 2. First substitute the lower limit. Instead of theta you substitute 0. Cos 0. Instead of theta you substitute 0. Cos 0 equal to what? 1. Therefore t value is what? Equal to 1. Again cos 90. Cos 90 is nothing but what? 0. If theta, instead of theta we substitute what value? Pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is nothing but what? Cos pi by 2 is 0. Therefore t equal to what? 0. So now we change the variable because it will take, and cos theta is taken as t, means this change of variable. Sum is nothing but what? Change of variable. Variable will be changed. Cos theta become taken as a t. So therefore automatically theta in terms of t means the limit also will be changed. If theta, it becomes theta, means what is the limit? 0 and pi by 2. Suppose in terms of t we write, the question is rewrite in the change of variables. Instead of cos theta we taken as t, means everything the totally changed. Therefore, so limit change, variable change means the limit also as well as changed. So theta equal to 0 and pi by 2. So related to theta equal to 0 means what is the t value? Cos 0 is 1. Suppose theta equal to 90, that is pi by 2, means cos 90 is nothing but what? 0. Write in the tabular column. Now listen, I rewrite the same question. 0 to pi by 2 root of cos theta 1 minus cos square theta into sin theta. Now after rewriting, now we are going to cos theta is rewrite as what? T. Suppose cos theta rewrite as t, 1 minus cos square theta, that is nothing but what? 1 minus t square. Instead of cos theta we substitute t value. What here? Sin theta d theta is nothing but what? dt. See here, minus sin theta d theta is nothing but what? dt. So here having what? Plus sin theta d theta. So sin theta d theta equal to nothing but what? Minus dt. The minus is sin is keep it what? Outside. So limit also as well as changed, because theta is, we write in the integration part in terms of t. So if theta will be changed, variable is changed, means as well as limit also changed. So this is 0 to pi by 2 become what? So if instead of 0, if theta becomes 0, means the lower limit is what? In terms of t, the lower limit is 1. If theta equal to pi by 2 for upper limit, means in terms of t, means what is the upper limit 0. So taken as the limit is what? 1 and 0. Instead of 0 and pi by 2 for the limit, we change the what is the limit. The limit also change in terms of t, means what is the answer we find out? 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Where come minus n? The minus n is nothing but what? Minus of sin theta d theta is dt. Here having what? Plus sin theta d theta. Take down the minus sign is outside, because minus sin theta d theta is dt, means sin theta d theta is nothing but what? Minus dt. Now minus of 1 integral of 1 to 0 root t into 1 minus t square into dt. After the value become minus. Here having what? Minus 1 to 0 root t 1 minus t square dt. So we are having what? The minus become plus, means the limit will be changed. The limit, lower limit become upper limit will be lower limit, means automatically minus will be cancelled, because before step what? Minus of 1 to 0 root t 1 minus t square into dt. Suppose if the limit will be changed, minus the limit will be changed. 1 to 0 becomes 0 to 1, means minus become what? Minus into minus become plus. 0 to 1 root t 1 minus t square into dt. Now 0 to 1. What is this? 0 to 1. This is root t is we rewrite as what? T power 1 by 2. Before we write, just we multiply. Root t into 1 is what? Root t into 1 is root t. Root t into t square. That is t is what? T power t. Root t is nothing but what? T power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is added with 2. It will become what? 3 by 2. This is what? Root t into 1. That is t power 1 by 2. Minus root t into 2. Root t is what? T power 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 plus, because base means we add the power. 1 by 2 plus 2 is nothing but what? 3 by 2. So here having what? Integral of 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 dt minus t power 1 by 2 t square dt. So 1 by 2 plus here right in the finally 1 by 2 plus 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to, see here 1 by 2 plus 2 is what? 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 what? 5 by 2. If you want write, this is one more step. If you want write, means integral of 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 dt minus integral of 0 to 1 t power what? 5 by 2. T power 5 by 2 into dt. We add, if base is same, means we add the power. 1 by 2 plus 2 is nothing but what? 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 is 5 by 2. So we split into 2 integration. After multiplication, we get the 2 integration. 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 into dt minus 0 to 1 t power 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2 is nothing but what? 5 by 2. T power 5 by 2 into dt. Next we apply the formula, general formula. What is first formula for integration? X power n equal to what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, here what we rewrite as t power 1 by 2 is t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus t power 5 by 2 is what? T power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. Here t power 1 by 2 is what? T power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus similarly t power 5 by 2 is what? T power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. Next apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. Now we are going to apply the upper limit. Upper limit is nothing but what? See, read t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus t power 5 by 2 plus 1 is what? After integration 5 by 2 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 is what? 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. Now we are going to apply the limit, upper limit as well as lower limit. So 3 by 2 become what? 2 by 3. First apply the upper limit. Upper limit is what? 1. 1 power 3 by 2. 1 power any number is 1. Next apply the lower limit. T is 0. 0 power any number is what? 0. 1 power 0 is 1, but 0 power any number is 0. So first after it take 3 by 2 becomes what? 2 by 3. Next apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. Upper limit is 1. 1 power 3 by 2 is nothing but what? 1 minus. Again apply the lower limit. 0. 0 power 3 by 2 is 0. Again minus. Second, see the second part. 7 by 2 become what? 2 by 7. 2 by 7. First apply the upper limit. Upper limit is what? 1. 1 power 7 by 2 is 1. Similarly 0 power 7 by 2 is what? 0. Very easy step only. Only we having the change of variable only. Now 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into, because 3 by 2 become what? 2 by 3 into 1. 1 minus 0, 2 by 7 into 1 minus 0, that is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 7. So you take the what? Cross multiplication. 7 2s are what? 14, 3 2s are 6, that is 14 minus 6 divided by what? 21 equal to 8 by 21. Therefore the integration values, if you want to final step, you write that integration I equal to, I is nothing but given question, I equal to 8 by 21. Here this sum only change the change of variable only new Here only we start that the change of variable. If the cos theta is in terms of t means if you change the variable means as well as we take the limit also will be changed. That is a very important step. So sin cube theta is rewrite as what? Sin square theta into sin theta. So after simplification, the cos instead of cos theta is substitute t. So root t 1 minus t what? T square into sin theta d theta is nothing but minus dt. The minus I keep it in front. So what happened? This is what? Plus minus minus the 1 to y come out to come 0 to pi by 2 become 1 to 0 means a change of limit. In terms of theta the limit is 0 and pi by 2. In terms of t means the value is what? 1 and 0. How come? Instead of theta you substitute 0. T value is what? 1. Instead of theta you substitute pi by 2. T value is nothing but 0. So change of variable as automatic limit will be changed. So it become what? 0 to pi by 2 limit become 1 to 0. After easy calculation, afterwards here also one property. 1 to 0 is nothing but rewrite as what? If you suppose the limit is interchange, upper limit become lower limit become upper limit minus of already having one minus sign, minus into minus plus 1 to 0 limit is rewrite as what? 0 to 1. And remaining steps are very easy for just or normal multiplication. Now first question, sixth subdivision, final subdivision for the first question. Having the three questions 1, 2, 3. Here having 1 and 2 only. The first part having the sixth subdivision. So now I am going to teach the sixth subdivision for the first question. What is the question? 0 to 1 integral of 0 to 1 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square the whole square into dx. Integral of 0 to 1 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square the whole square into dx. What is the solution? Write the question I rewrite here. 0 to 1 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square the whole square. 1 plus x square the whole square, not 1 plus x square. So here 1 minus x square. Here also we are going to write the change of variable because there is no formula we are using able to apply that. We are unable to do the integration part. So we are going to change of variable. The variable will be changed means the limit will be also automatically will be changed. See here x is equal to what? Tan theta. What is our x? X is equal to tan theta. What is our dx? After differentiation, tan theta is differentiation, we get what? X is equal to tan theta means what is our dx? Dx is nothing but what? Secant square theta into d theta. What is the limit we are going to apply for the limit? 0 and 1. In terms of x, the question is in terms of x means we apply 0 and 1. The question is the variable, the x become, you taken as in terms of theta, means you take the limit become theta. If this is algebraic function, this algebraic function is converted into trigonometric function. So because x is equal to taken as trigonometric function, x is equal to tan theta, dx is equal to nothing but what? Secant square theta into d theta. So now what is the x? X is equal to nothing but 0 and 1. Apply the lower limit as well as upper limit. Next, in terms of theta, we are going to write x become in terms of theta means substitute the value. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. And what is our tan theta? Tan 0, 0. If x substitute x is equal to 0 because in terms of x, lower limit is 0. Apply 0. Instead of x, you substitute 0 means tan theta equal to 0 means what is the theta value? 0. X is equal to 1. When will x is equal to 1? Theta equal to pi by 4 because tan 45. Tan pi by 4 is nothing but what? 1. So substitute instead of x is equal to 1, tan theta equal to 1. When will tan theta equal to 1? Theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. Tan theta equal to, tan theta 1 means theta equal to what value? Theta equal to pi by 4. So what is the limit become? 0 and 5 by 4. In terms of x, the limit, given limit is what? 0 and 1. After changing in terms of theta, the limits become what? 0 and 5 by 4. Now see the question I rewrite here. The limit, the 0, what is the question? Given question is what? 0 to 1, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square the whole square into dx. X is in terms of rewrite as theta. Already I told here. Instead of x is equal to theta means instead of x you substitute what? Tan square theta because we take x is equal to tan theta. Up x square equal to nothing but what? Tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus what is x? X is tan theta, that is tan square theta the whole square. Dx is nothing but what? Secant square theta into d theta. Everything already I told. Because we take as x is equal to tan theta, after differentiation it will become what? Tan theta differentiate to become secant square theta into d theta. Therefore, instead of x you substitute tan theta, instead of dx you substitute secant square theta into d theta. So x in terms of theta means the variable, the limit will be changed. 0 to 1 limit become what? 0 to pi by 4. That's all only. Now listen. Now this question become rewrite as like that only. Now the limit integral, limit also change. Variable change, limit will be changed. So this question is rewritten like that only. 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus tan square theta by 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is our 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. Because we remember the identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore, 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but what? Secant square theta, already having the whole square. Here also 1 secant square theta d theta. Next, integral of 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus tan square theta, you cancel 1 secant square theta, here also cancel 1 secant square theta. Balance is 1 more secant square theta, because here secant square theta, here what secant square theta, the whole square, cancel, secant square theta cancel, balance remaining 1 more secant square theta having. Now 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus tan square theta by secant square theta d theta. Next, 0 to pi by 4, split into 2 integral. What is this one? 1 by secant square theta is what? Cos. Because secant square rewrite is what? Cos square theta. Not rewrite. Secant square theta is nothing but what? 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta goes to the numerator. 1 by secant square theta goes to the numerator to become what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 minus tan square theta. This secant square theta. What is our secant square theta is what? 1 by cos square theta. Secant square theta is what? 1 by cos square theta. It goes to the numerator. It will become what? Cos square theta. Secant square theta rewrite as 1 by cos square theta. It goes to the numerator to become only cos square theta into 1 minus tan square theta into d theta. Now 0 to pi by 4 cos square theta 1 minus tan square theta heavily rewrite sin square theta by cos square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta. Now 0 to pi by 4 the same limit cos square theta minus. So just you take the LCM cos square theta 1 cos square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. Just you multiply it. Cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta into what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta. Again cos square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta d theta. So cos square theta cancelled. Balance is what? 0 to pi by 4 cos square theta minus sin square theta into d theta. Now we remember that we are having cos 2 theta having the true formula. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. 1 minus 2 cos square theta having cos 2 theta having the 3 trigonometric formula. Here cos square theta minus sin square theta is rewrite as what? Cos 2 theta 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 theta into d theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta rewrite in the trigonometric formula cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta into d theta. Now only we are going to integration. Cos 2 theta is integrate what? Sin 2 theta divided by 2. We write the coefficient in the division. Differentiation means we multiply. Integration divide by 2. So cos 2 theta is integrate to become what? Sin 2 theta divided by 2. What is the limit applied? 0 to pi by 4. Now take by 2. Sin 2 theta divided by 2. Take 1 by 2 is take outside. Sin 2 theta is apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. Upper limit is pi by 4. Lower limit is for 0. So 2 theta. Sin 2 theta instead of theta substitute the upper limit pi by 4 minus sin 2 theta. Instead of theta apply the lower limit. First apply the upper limit as well as apply the lower limit, because the limit becomes 0 to pi by 4. So first you apply instead of theta, first you substitute pi by 4. Again you substitute what? 0. Now 1 by 2 equal to pi by 4. 2 into 2 theta, 2 into pi by 4. This 2, this 4 will cancel. 1 to 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore we get what? Sin pi by 2 minus sin 2 into 0 is what? 0. Sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So sin 0 is what? 0. 1 by 2 into sin 90. Sin 90 is nothing but what? 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is what? 1 by 2. Therefore the final answer, that is the given integration, the question equal to, the final answer is what? 1 by 2. Which one is very important? First we change of variable apply. Afterwards we are using the trigonometry identities. We are using 2 times we are using the trigonometry identity. Which one is very important step? Let us see, the question is given. take x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta means after differentiation it become what? Secant square theta d theta. So if x is in terms of theta means limit will be changed the 0 to 1, because x in terms of x the limit is what? 0 to 1. In terms of theta x is equal to 0 means tan 0 0. X is equal to 1 means tan theta equal to what? Pi by 4. This is very important. After we are going to substitute, instead of x you substitute tan theta. Here also what, wherever the x placed you substitute the tan theta. Dx instead of dx you substitute what? Secant square theta into d theta. Next, very easy for instead of x you substitute tan square theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta the whole square. Now dx you substitute what? Secant square theta into d theta. So this secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta is what? Using the identity secant square theta, already having the whole square. 1 secant square theta, 1 secant square theta cancelled. Now what is the limit also? What changes? 0 to 1 becomes 0 to pi by 4. 1 minus tan square theta by secant square theta into d theta. Secant square theta is nothing but rewrite as what? 1 by cos square theta. It goes to the numerator, it become what? Cos square theta into 1 minus tan square theta into d theta. Now the cos square theta is multiplied with the bracket. Cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta. Before that one, so cos square theta into 1 minus because in terms of cos means here also the tan value is rewrite as what? Sin and cos. So tan square theta is rewrite as what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. If we take the LCM, before taking the LCM, first multiplied with the cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 is what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta cancelled. Now 0 to pi by 4, cos square theta minus sin square theta into d theta. Using the trigonometric formula, 0 to pi by 4, cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta nothing but what? Cos 2 theta into d theta. Now only we are going to ordinary integration. Very simple. Here, this much we are having to simplify the question. Just now only we are going to apply the integration. Come to the integration part. Cos 2 theta is nothing but what? Sin 2 theta divided by 2. 0 to pi by 4. Now we are going to upper limit as well as lower limit. Upper limit instead of theta is substitute pi by 4. Instead of theta here lower limit is what? 0. Before we are going to apply the limit, take the 1 by 2 is taken as common. Now 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta, 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 into 0. You cancel the value. Sin 2 and 4 is cancelled to become what? We get sin pi by 2. Here what? Sin 2 into 0 is sin 0. So 1 by 2 sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Now sin 90 is nothing but sin pi by 2 is nothing but what? 1. The sin 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 is multiplied with 1. We get 1 by 2. Students, just I teach the only two sums for you. You copied on from exercise number 9.3, 9.1 and 9.2 deleted portion. I started from exercise 9.3 for the 9th chapter. Okay, try to solve all the sums. Solve all the 6 sums, 6 subdivision. You try to solve your example sums also. Today I will give the homework. Try to solve the example sums also. Thank you, students.